for the day. Turkey, ground turkey. Also, it's got tomato, diced tomato, and jalapenos. I also add black pepper, sea salt, garlic, and my little touch of Mrs. Dash. I'll show you here, right here, boom. Not too much, just add a little bit. Add a little bit of flavor to it. And this will make up 3 meals. 3 meals for y'all. And what works for me may not work for others. I'm just showing you what a clean eating looks like. And how you prep it up. Add it into these 3 containers here. Each scoop, after a while I've been doing this for 2 years now, so after a while you get to know your measurements and you get it done that way. But have a good day, y'all.